Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites so the deploy can run. Verify node, JS and build scripts in package. JSON, mismatched engines break builds. Once done, run Vercel login and Vercel link to tie your repo to the project. Make sure environment variables are set in the Vercel dashboard and locally. You need identical keys for secrets like API URL. These steps reduce immediate failures and prepare for the build. Now you can trigger a fresh deployment with Vercel prod. You next diagnose the core build problem by reading Vercel logs. They show the failing step and stack trace. Then reproduce the build locally using node env equals production and the same build command to catch environment-dependent errors. Make sure dependencies are installed, that post-install scripts don't break, and that monorepo workspaces point to correct build outputs. If a path or missing file caused it, edit your build script or adjust output directories. Once fixed locally, commit and push. You finish by redeploying and monitoring the live build logs to confirm success. Once the build passes, test routing, assets, and environment-driven features to verify parity with local behavior. If the new deploy fails and you need uptime, roll back to the last working deployment from the Vercel dashboard. If issues persist, clear caches, remove node modules, reinstall, and try again. Corrupted caches often cause phantom errors. One key tip: compare the failing log's node path to your local environment to spot subtle version mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.